Yeah, a little snook. Oh, he came off. Out of season anyways. Quick release. He liked that gambler. See if he's got any buddies out there. We're in about a foot of water. It's a decent little snook. Ooh. This guy's a fighter. Okay, let's land a fish today. I had another snook earlier and he got off right at the boat. Ooh man, this is a decent snook. It ain't a slot, but it's a decent snook. Whew. Whew. On the gold spoon. About 24, 23. Man, he inhaled that gold spoon. Look at that. It is all the way down his throat. Got it out fairly easily. That's good. Let's get a quick measurement. Send him on his way. Easy there. Yep, 24. 24 and change. Typical size for here. Can't get my fish grips off of him. There we go. Let him suck my thumb for a while. Good boy. Go get big. There he goes. Just before sunset.
What's that?
Just before sunset. We're out today fishing Estero Bay with my dad Kurt. See if there's any more out there. So we spent a few hours out on Estero Bay, more like 2 hours actually. We got here really late in the afternoon and only had a couple hours before sunset. I was using gambler lures today, soft plastic paddle tails, and on my second cast I caught a decent snook that I wasn't too concerned about landing because it's out of season and he was clearly not even a slot fish anyways, but he got off right at the boat. And then later I switched over to a gold spoon and landed a snook about the same size, about a 24-inch snook. So it was a pretty good day. for a couple hours of fishing just before sunset.